Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to connect and use Real-Debrid with Kodi seamlessly. If you've been looking to enhance your streaming experience, Real-Debrid is a fantastic service that helps you access premium links for better quality content. First, you'll need to sign up for a Real-Debrid account on their official website. Once you've successfully created your account, make sure to take note of your provided login details as you'll need them later. Next, open Kodi on your device. Navigate to the Settings menu and select System. From there, choose Add-ons and then Manage Dependencies. Look for URL Resolver or Resolve URL and select it. Here, you'll have the option to configure the settings. Input your Real-Debrid account information into the designated fields. This step is crucial as it allows Kodi to authenticate your Real-Debrid subscription and enable premium links for content streaming. Once you've entered the details, save the settings and exit the menu. Now, when you search for content or select a streaming source on Kodi, Real-Debrid will provide you with premium links that offer higher quality video playback and more reliable streaming. Enjoy a smoother and buffer-free viewing experience with Real-Debrid integrated into your Kodi setup. That's it. You've successfully connected and set up Real-Debrid with Kodi. Start exploring better quality content today with this enhanced streaming experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.